Manila Pills, galing kami doon. Ito na, gusto ko to. Title, Manila at Night, third wheeling. Saan to? Dito kami pupunta. Baka biglang snatch ang phone. We gonna have some food for dinner. Dinner time. Dami dito. Mas madami pa kesa dun sa amin. Kasi nang dami. Left and right. Yan. Dami talaga mga bago dito. Daily wings. Grabe ang haba, pero lahat, kada kanto may pagkain, sobra-sobra. Damn, we're gonna dip. Dip. Dami talaga. Saan kami kakain? Wag dyan. Dito. Doon. Where? Shoot, 7-Eleven yung punta. Marami naman 7-Eleven sa amin. Gusto ko yung Manila talaga. Another kanto. Yan. Yan. So, orderin namin. Thai beef. 135, no? Bitin loco. Gutom na ako. They're preparing it. Oh, siomai too. It's the beef. Yeah. May level daw ng spicy. Mild, spicy hot, extra hot, hell. I think we'll try hell, ha? Hell, tignan natin yung mukha nila mamaya pag kumain, pati yung sa akin. Yeah. Hell, it's gonna be rice pa lang pala. Ito, may ulam pa. Oh, wow. Tapos, pili ka pa na, dish. Naktakan yung pinili na. Okay. Yan. Hindi to India. Promote natin guys, kahit sa Manila, free lang naman. Kaso promote natin to video sa Visayas. Miss ni Bugoy yung PCX niya dito. Tapos Red Mags. Alam ko, marasarap tong dinakdakan kasi yon yung sabi rin ng isang lalaki. Yeah. Dakan. Lianas dinakdakan. O, diba? Bongga. Yan. Whee! So, add tayo ng itlog. Pero, habang naglalaba.
The evening drips like honey, oh so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoe. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves with stories of lives and forgotten selves. A cafe's hum, a gentle drum in play echoes the footsteps of an endless day.
Itong spicy Woohoo! And plus with dinakdakan. Ayaw na buksan Yan. Oh, yummy.
What that cheese is? Spicy.
Pretty spicy. It's bearable hot.
Sarap!
Wow! Good. Lasang Manila talaga to. Real good.
Yeah.
People to go to other countries just also to try to see. It's like something special with their ingredients. And then they have the idea, then they will modify it. Yan, lapit na maubos. Sarap. And then the first thing you need to check if you're gonna go to the restaurant is what? You go to inside restaurant just to make sure it's clean. Some people do that. Not the kitchen. They go first in the restroom. If they said if the restroom is clean, it means the kitchen is clean. O diba? Tapos na kami kumain, malapit na lang matapos. Timing. Froyo yogurt, here we go. Let's go, bro. Lakas ng hangin dito. Pero ngayon, okay na. Wala nang bagyo. Galagala na kami sa gabi. Damn. And earlier, Suburban, the new one. This one's a Cadillac. Kadi-kadi. Ay kami ulit dito. Third wheel ako ulit. Sana ulit yon. Dito sana kami kanina mag-dinner. Sana yung Froyo. Dito haro-haro. Yeah, the city that never sleeps. Manila. Hindi lang New York. Where's that? Dito na. Wow. Story. I thought you can sleep there, bro. Nah, it's this other table. Yeah, what you like? Yeah, I think it's really yummy.
Kaya yogurt medium. Ano ba ka, Justin? Pili ko nga siya. Same na.
Yogurt lahat?
Ano sa akin? 4 din, te? Ano? Sa akin, oil.
Wow, sarap. Damn, the fruits are playing on your mouth, on your tongue. Yeah, go.
Payag ako. Cheers.
Sarap.
So good.
Dami.
Wow. Dapat large yan.
Dapat di ka nag-feel ng flavor.
Hawa ka na lang.
It's nice, it's real strawberry, real kiwi.
Real mango, but mango.
You wanna slip? So good. Ganda ng skies after ng bagyo. Madami pang kainan doon. Basta madami. Yeah. Damn, bro, you can eat there, eat here, all night. Actually, Silver Farm, flight namin dapat ngayon and extend. Kasi yung opisina na pupuntahan ko is closed kanina. So, bumalik ako dito mula sa Makati. So, bukas yung flight. Instead na ngayon, sayang. So, nag-book kami ulit. So, tingnan na lang natin hanggang bukas pagbalik namin ng Bacolod. So, balik na kami ng condo. Tingnan na natin bukas na makapag-vlog po ulit. Or may susunod pa to. So, di natin alam kung ano gagawin. Monday ngayon, walang swimming pool. Maliligo sana kami. Let's gonna go to the swimming pool, bro. We're still gonna swim there, but it's not allowed. I wanna what?